Folks, I just wanted to kind of let you know something here. I'm just panning around while I'm talking. But I went in the house about an hour or so ago. I put out some sugar syrup here on the tailgate of my truck. See here in the box, I put about a gallon in there, and they've just about sucked it all down. But they was just kind of, the way they was all buzzing around getting in a frenzy, I figured I was going to get stung. I did get stung once on the ear, but I figured I was going to get stung more by accident than anything, so I decided I better clear out for a while and let them settle down. Well, oddly enough, when I came back out, let me get where I can see this camera. Oddly enough, when I came back out, see this stack of old equipment? I've been making some splits and changing from a small hive to a big hive and changing some boxes around and what have you. See that stack of equipment there? That's what I had extra. And I just stacked it up there so it'd be nice and open. So I come out the door about 5 minutes ago, and I think, don't know if you can see that or not, but I think by accident I caught a swarm while we were in there. It's not a very big one, but I just wanted to show y'all. This was just stacked up here, boxes open. I mean, it's on the bottom board, but there ain't a frame in it, and they're just, I've got them crisscrossed, you know, so they would have plenty of air in them. I didn't want to encourage no insect infestations or anything like that, but it looks like I got one anyway. Not really the one I was worried about, though. This could be a good infestation.
I hate that hive right there.
Which?
That over there.
That over there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the main hive?
That's
well, it loves you anyway. Hey, it ain't that hive's fault you was out there with short britches. Anyway, folks, I guess I'm gonna see what's going on here. Let's stack some of this equipment here and see what's going on. See if we can if these guys are, if this is a swarm, I can only imagine that they need a place to stay. You know, bees are like that. They just fly around from place to place, hoping that wherever they land, you know, somebody's got an extra room. See, the bees have been checking it out. They've been checking this stack stuff out. There wasn't no honey or nectar or nothing in there, but there's propolis, you know, on the inside of the box, and I just figured that they was probably interested in you know, recycling some of the propolis and what have you on the inside of these boxes, so I just opened them up there. But, I would not have guessed.
They were starting to draw.
I would not have guessed that these guys would have gone into an open hive like this. I would have thought they would have wanted something that was closed up a little better. But anyway, I'm gonna look up here and right quick and see if I got another frame or two with a little dab of wax on it. I need some deep. Some of them's got pollen. Look, I love y'all, but get off of me. Yeah, some of them brought some pollen along with them. They pulled my shirt down before I had one fly up my shirt tail. Okay, folks, I'll move you around over here. I just set that box right there on top of that other one and put a few frames down in there. I just went through doing some hive work.
How about this frame right here?
Huh?
This one?
Oh, yeah. Yep, that'll work. Anyway, as you can see right down there where the box is in contact with that frame, you can see there's bees that are marching down the box there. And they're moving toward the frame, so evidently they seem to be happy with the frame. They're going to try to use it at least, I guess. Not sure. I've got a few hives out here. I didn't really think any of them was ready to throw out a swarm, but you just never know. Okay, I'm going to pick these up. Put another frame in there. Okay. Bees getting around the bottom of that box. I'm trying not to mash them. There we go. Let's see about sliding that over a little bit. There's a little bit of bee space there on top of those frames, so move it over. I don't think I'm hurting them any. See, little rascals, see they got their little butts in the air here, just a fanning away. They're telling everybody this is home. Where home was 30 minutes ago, I don't know. You know, this is the first swarm I've ever caught, and I didn't even get to see it come in. It's not a huge swarm by any means, but a swarm's a swarm.
So there should be a queen in there.
Free bees is free bees. Yeah, there should be a queen. I thought I saw a queen butt. That's not a queen?
I don't think so.
I guess not.
This one's awful big.
That?
Yeah. Looks like they might be killing it.
That's a drone.
Oh.
I'll bet you the queen is up here in the middle, where they're all balled up here. You know, people talk about putting out bait hives to catch a swarm. They're not happy with that at all. I'm probably going to have a glove. I didn't even get any bait hives put out this spring. And here it is August. And I caught a swarm. By accident. Go, ladies, march right down in that box. You can do it.
She has to be in the middle there somewhere.
Oh yeah, she would have been deep in the pile. They would want her, being outside the hive, they would want her undercover. See, that's a big old drone right there.
Why don't you just shake them? Why don't you just shake them there?
But I want to see the queen if I can see it. If I can make her roll out.
Probably knocked her down in there.
No.
Do you think you got the queen in there?
Well, I don't know. Maybe. I'm going to get stung and you're going to get dead. And it's going to be a bad day for both of us. Okay, ladies, get in the box. Okay, there's the last of them. Marching into the box. Slowly but surely, they're going to march up into that box. At least that's the plan. Something tells me I'm going to have to build some hive stands. Anyway, folks, that's what's happening. I'm going to go ahead and cut off this video, and we'll get back with you and add to it if anything else interesting happens. I'm going to cut off, but I'm going to cut off the camera right now because I got to go find a place to park this hive after they all get in there.